it's Justine Marjan, and I'm going to show you some hair hacks to hide your hair woes. Number one, if you've got your roots coming through and you can't make it to the salon, just use an eyeshadow with a brush and paint over the areas that are exposed. For example, I've got a few grays peeking through, so I'm just going to use the eyeshadow with my brush and I paint right over it. I've got 3 ways to camouflage split ends. Number one, a hair mask. Oftentimes split ends are caused by breakage or damage to the hair that can easily be repaired by applying moisture to the hair. So my favorite hair mask that you can do with kitchen ingredients is mixing coconut oil and honey, equal parts, melted in the microwave or on the stovetop, and just apply to the ends. You can sleep with your hair like this in a shower cap, or you can let sit for 30 minutes and then rinse out with cool water and shampoo and condition as normal. Another way that I love to hide split ends is a blow drying technique. You can use a boar bristle round brush and a blow dryer on the normal heat setting, and then after the hair is dry, use the cool shot and let the hair set. That should usually seal in the split ends. If these temporary solutions are still not working for your pesky split ends, I'll show you a quick and easy way to trim them. I would just suggest taking large sections, pull the ends up so that you can see them very clearly, and I'm just gonna trim those few hairs only, right where I see the breakage begin, or right where I see the hair splitting. This is enough just to hold me over until I can get a real haircut at a salon. The easiest way to camouflage or hide your bangs is with a cute headband. I'm gonna show you a few different ways that I like to wear headbands that can easily slick back your bangs. Number one, if you've got a middle part, if your bangs are too short to just put in the headband by itself, you can use a small bobby pin and just pin the bangs back before you put the headband in. Now that I've pinned my hair back, I'm just gonna go ahead and place the headband in, and that keeps it very secure. And then I tuck the bobby pins underneath the headband so you can't see them. The next way you can hide your bangs with a headband is to brush all the hair back, no partings, and then keep your hair slicked back. And I'm just gonna go in, attach the headband at the root, and then slide it back. And then the last way I'll show you, if you've got a side swooping bang, you can flip it to the opposite side that you normally wear it. Slick the hair in the front so that it looks really smooth, and then it'll hold into place when you put in the headband. I'm gonna show you how to braid the front of your hair to hide your bangs. And then you can keep this just on one side, or you could braid the other side. But I kind of like it just on one. This would be good if you have a side bang. If you have a shorter bang, I'd probably do a middle part or just braid all the way across the front of your head.